Hey everyone, this is Nick Molina with Embrace Tutoring. In this video, we'll be covering number 17 from the Calculator Math section of the College Board Practice Test 10. Remember, these videos provide additional explanations and content review, but you'll always want to attempt the problems independently. Before we begin, do us a favor and subscribe to the link below to receive the most recent videos and practice problems. Okay, let's get started. So for number 17 here, it says the volume of a sphere is given by the formula V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is the radius of the sphere. Which of the following gives the radius of the sphere in terms of the volume of the sphere? Okay, so we have to be able to interpret what that means. Gives the radius of the sphere in terms of the volume of the sphere. So the first thing it's asking for is it gives us the radius. So that tells us we're going to solve for r. Now when it says in terms of, that tells you what's going to be on the other side of the equation. It's going to be in terms of the volume. So that means we're going to have v somewhere in our equation. Okay, so if we're starting this, we're trying to solve for r. All right, so the first thing I notice is that we're going to try to get rid of the 4/3. In order to do that, we have to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which is the same as dividing both sides by 4/3. If we do that, the 3/4 is going to cancel with the 4/3, and we're left with 3/4 v equals pi r cubed. All right. Now I'm going to divide both sides by pi to get r by itself. All right. So when I do this, essentially 3 times v is in my numerator. Now I'm dividing by pi, so that pi is going to end up in the denominator, equals r cubed. Okay. Now, in order to undo a cube, we treat this just like a square. If we were to undo a square, we would do a square root. So instead of doing a square root, we're going to do what's called a cube root of both sides. All right, and the cube root of r cubed is just going to be r, and then we're left with what's over here on the left, which we notice is answer choice D. So for this one, I would just caution you to be careful with your fractions. Make sure you're multiplying by the reciprocal, and the new idea here of taking a cube root to undo the cube. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this solution, or if you solve this one in a different way, please be sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.